Hi everyone, welcome back to Kfood Recipe Hunters channel. Today we're making one of Korea's most famous and most balanced dishes, bibimbap. Bibimbap represents Korea's colorful harmony of taste and nutrition. Bibim literally means mix and bap means rice. It's beautiful, delicious and a perfectly balanced meal in one bowl. Each ingredient on its own is simple, but together they form a nutritionally complete meal. Carbohydrates, protein, fiber and healthy fats, all in perfect balance. Koreans love bibimbap as a one-bowl meal. It fills you up, but it's light and nourishing. Let's dive into the harmony of flavors and nutrition. To make a nutritious bibimbap, here's what you'll need. 1 bowl of warm rice, julienned carrots and zucchini, spinach, bean sprouts, and mushrooms. Actually, there are no strict rules for the vegetables. You can add whatever you like, fresh or cooked, raw or stir-fried. It's completely up to your taste and creativity. 100 grams of beef, egg, gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, sesame oil and sesame seeds, a pinch of salt and minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Step 1. Cook your short grain rice in a rice cooker. It should be warm when serving. Step 2. Quickly blanch the spinach and bean sprouts in boiling water until just tender. Drain and immediately rinse with cold water to stop the cooking. Squeeze out excess water. Toss the blanched bean sprouts and spinach in separate bowls, with a dash of salt, minced garlic, sesame seeds and sesame oil. When seasoning the spinach, gently mixing it with your hands allows the seasoning to penetrate well. Step 3. Lightly sauté the julienned carrots in a little cooking oil and add a dash of salt. Please sauté the zucchini in the same way. Sauté sliced mushrooms in the same way until tender. Step 4. Marinate the beef with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a little minced garlic. Sauté the marinated beef in a pan until fully cooked and nicely browned. Set aside. Step 5. Heat a little oil in a pan and fry the eggs sunny side up. A runny yolk is traditional. Step 6. In a large serving bowl, place warm rice at the bottom and arrange the cooked vegetables beautifully. Place some sautéed beef as well. Step 7. Finally, place the fried egg on top, right in the center. What's great about bibimbap is how flexible it is. Here are some popular versions around Korea. Jeonju bibimbap, originating from Jeonju, a city famous for its food culture, stands out among all versions of bibimbap. Dolsot bibimbap, served in a hot stone bowl for that crispy rice bottom. Ukkoe bibimbap, topped with Korean-style seasoned raw beef similar to beef tartar. Vegan bibimbap, topped with only vegetables and tofu. Now it's the fun part, eating. When mixing the ingredients, you can enhance the flavor by adding a spoonful of gochujang and some sesame oil. If you don't like the spice, soy sauce is a good alternative to add. Bibimbap must be mixed thoroughly to experience its full flavor. It becomes even more delicious when runny yolk is mixed in with the rice. If you love that crunchy rice from the bottom, try the hot stone version, dolsot bibimbap. When you've finished all the dolsot bibimbap, you can pour water onto the leftover crusty rice to make a rice soup, nurungji. Bibimbap is a simple bowl, but captures the heart of Korean cuisine, reminding us the harmony comes from diversity. What's your favorite Korean dish? Share it with me, and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye!